Yeah. No.
Yo, yo, yo. Walk on. Here in Gaborone, the capital of Botswana, my home country. We're gonna walk to the Gaborone Bus Station, walk around there, and then maybe walk to I think there's a mall, rail park. Walk to the other side, and yeah, that should be it. And then we'll take a drone shot around here. So let's go. No, get sharp. Then I get a video da. Yeah. Vorrei fare come van distratti. Iwata ko ro tsamela na ta kwa ya re ra o pagama. Yeah, no, shop. So this is where you take the bus to go to other parts of the country. Coach buses. Yeah. You know, di rano ke ma.
Yeah, but the TKs.
TKs. Okay, so re waya. No, ne ke re tsena ha ga re be re bua ya. So Gaborone Hotel. I think one of the oldest hotels in the city. Research again why Google hala koloi be go bonela wara okay ma 200 so rapama stes hai bila ha ena yana ba ka kgoreletsa thata. Yalo trenega. Kana yemi somewhere wa tlogela la go. So this is the Gaborone rail station, but it's not functional. It hasn't been functioning for a few years now. So I'm not sure what the plan is, if they're working on something. Yeah, just around the corner there. You see the rail tracks. So that's the rail park mall where we're just coming from. Pedestrian walk, and then the bus station is on the other side where we were earlier. So yeah, this is pretty much the main center of Gaborone. So yeah, there you got I can stop here until we get to the other side. So that's where we are coming from. Rail Park Mall, train station, the tracks. So now we are now on the pedestrian bridge to the bus terminal, bus station. Okay.
One of those companies that were instrumental in setting up of Air Botswana, we brought in the average just on the value chain. And when you look at our portfolio, the first group of
Ah no, sharp. No, keep more walking here. Yeah.
Yeah. No.
We are now at the Three Dikgosi Monument. This is the three chiefs of one of the tribes, the three tribes. They were the chiefs. So they were the ones that went to Great Britain and asked for protection. Hence, Botswana became a British protectorate because of these three men. So we'll get closer and look at this man closely. So yeah, we'll read some information. They have some information on this walls here. So here are the three chiefs: Kama the third, Sibili the first, and Batuing the first.
No. No. No.
So yeah, it's a little bit of history of Botswana. So yeah, so we're gonna end this video here. I hope it's not too long, and if you watch it till this end, I appreciate you. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one, and I'll leave you guys with these three guys here.